How to edit message in Instagram new update. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application, and then it will lead you here to your homepage, right? Now on the upper right, you will see the messenger icon. Click on that and choose the conversation that you want to edit the message. So for example, you will chat here, right? Now all you have to do is to long press that one and then tap on edit, and you can actually change the message, or let's say you want to add more here and tap on send. Now as you can see, it will be notified as edited. Now here's the thing, you're only given 5 times to edit a specific word or specific message that you want to edit. So again, 5 times. Now there is actually time limit where you can see, or you can tap on edit here, or you can see this edit option. Now as you can see, if I try to edit this one, there is no option. That is because it's past 15 minutes. So that would mean that after 15 minutes, you won't be able to edit your message. And basically that is it, and that is how you edit message in Instagram new update. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.